Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super simple dinner Italian marinated chicken. So I don't know about you guys, but this was a staple for us growing up because it was one of the only things that we would eat, and it's so easy to make. You just need a plastic bag, and I'm kind of turning my plastic bag into a bowl. You roll the top down a little bit and you kind of spread it out, and it will sit up on its own. And then I'm putting in my chicken. I'm just using regular chicken breast. You could use thighs if you wanted to, or you could use like bone-in wings, like that kind of thing. You could use any cut of chicken for this. It doesn't matter, although your cooking time will change. And then I'm pouring in an entire bottle of Italian dressing. It doesn't matter what brand. It takes about the whole bottle. And I always like to get an extra bottle for dipping later, but that's just me. Then I had some Italian, like a packet Italian dressing, and I decided to add that too and some garlic. It's not necessary, but I love garlic and I really wanted to bump up the flavor. So you don't have to do that. You could just do a whole bottle of Italian dressing and that would be fine. But if you want to add some extra oomph, you can add some extra garlic and some extra, like a seasoning packet if you want. Or if you wanted it to be a little spicy, you could add some cayenne or some chili flakes. It's really up to you. You could add whatever spices you want. So now I'm trying to squeeze all of the air out of my bag, and now I'm kind of just going to zhuzh that around and make sure that it's all mixed. And then I put it in the fridge. You want to let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, but what you really want is for it to marinate for about 24 hours. And I let mine marinate for 24 hours. And then I got my grill hot and I'm just putting this on the grill. And I find that when I'm grilling stuff, especially like chicken, it's best if I put it on the grill and then I close the lid and I leave it alone. And then I come back and I'm not messing with it. I'm not like getting food stuck to the grill. So anyway, so I left those about 5-7 minutes, and then flipped them and then let them cook for a few more minutes and they were done. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.